How to fix your airdrop not working on iPhone. Let's get started. Starting with basics, make sure your airdrop is enabled and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on. Launch your control center, press and hold on the Wi-Fi icon. Now click on the airdrop option and enable it. Likewise, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled. You have to set your airdrop contacts only or everyone for 10 minutes. Next, restart both devices. If your airdrop still is not working, try restarting both the sending and receiving devices. Go ahead and launch your settings app. Navigate to the option of general. At the bottom, you'll find the option of shutdown. Click on that, turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then turn it back. Your airdrop works best when devices are within 30 feet of each other. Make sure your devices are close to avoid connection issues. Next, check for software updates. Click on the option Software Update. If you find any existing software updates over here, just update your phone software to its latest version. Next, check that your airdrop is allowed on your iPhone by verifying settings in Screen Time. Head back. Navigate to the option Screen Time. Now click on the option Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure you have enabled for the option Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then click on the option Allowed Apps and Features. Now here you're gonna find list of apps. Head over to the option Your airdrop. Make sure it is enabled. If it is already enabled, disable it, wait for a few minutes and again enable it. And there you have it. With these steps, your airdrop should be working smoothly again in your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.